Safety infrared beam setup on the Drive500, 600 and 1000. To begin, press and hold square. To enter programming mode, scroll to the right to beam setup. Please note, when setting up the beam setup, a set of safety infrared beams would have already been installed. So to change, press on the square to enter the beam setup mode. Currently it's disabled on factory default. To enable it, scroll to the right. As you can see, the display now shows enabled. To save, press on the square. Enabled the saved. It will show you the auto close time, which is adjustable. To exit, press on this X. Programming mode exited, and we're back in standby mode.